welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host Mikey. The letter that we're going to do today is the title of this video. It's only going to be in right-handed format for this because I've been told that if you flip the video camera for the left-handed version, the letters will appear backwards for my left-handed audience. So to not upset anybody, it will not be available in left-handed. Also, in the video description, I linked the playlist where all the letters will exist. They will be provided in time, but I also put one video on how to sew the appliques to the project without going through. So if you want to add personalization of a name and not ruin your project, you can do it that way as well. So I will leave that in your hands, and without further ado, let's get started.
Let's begin the letter H as in house, and there's going to be two different sides, left and right side, to do this, and then it will come together as a joining when it comes into play when you go down to sew it to your project. So let's do that, and let's begin that next. I'll be using a 4.5mm size G crochet hook and Caron 1-pound yarn, starting with the left side first as it states in the pattern, and we want to chain a total of 8. So we'll count those together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now let's begin row number 1. In row number 1, we're going to just single crochet, second chain from the hook, turn it over and get the back hump, and you're going to do that one, second chain from the hook. Then you're going to single crochet the next 3 chains that are available to you. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Now this is what's going to create the bar that's going to join them, and you're doing it here on the left side. So you'll chain a total of 3. So 1, 2, 3. Second chain from the hook, single crochet. So you'll do the second chain and then the other chain. So once that's done, you're going to single crochet in the same spot where you started to do that other piece, so it's in the same spot. So single crochet, and then you'll single crochet the remaining 3 that are left. And this is the left hand side of the H. Once you're done that, you're just going to get rid of this yarn, leave it long so that you can sew it down to your project. So the letter H is actually done in 2 pieces. Okay, so it'll look like this. Okay, once it's attached, and then the other stick that comes down is going to attach. Any tails that you want to get rid of, you want to be able to put it through a tapestry needle and just drag it through the back side of the H. Okay, and then that's it. So let's move on to the right hand side of the H next. So we need to create the other piece that will come down to finish this H, and so you'll start with your yarn again, and you will chain a total of 8. So let's count those together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Second chain from the hook, let's do row number 1 going back down, and you're going to single crochet in the back hump, second chain from the hook, and all the way back down. So you're creating the other stick, or leg of the H, however you want to call it. Do you have a name for that? I don't know. What you're going to do then is just fasten off like I showed you. So any tail ends that you want to weave in, use a tapestry needle, and then the tail that you're currently working with right now, you'll want to leave that long because you'll use that to sew that to the project as well. So I've already shown you how to get rid of this yarn tails. So what you'll want to do is just get your other one that you did, and then you have the letter H once you're ready. You just have to just sew it into place and have everything stabilize itself. Okay, so it's hard to do this on a piece of paper because it won't stay, but this is the letter H.